Good day everyone and welcome to my channel. Now this is a quick demo on how to create sessions in MQL5. Now in the last video I showed you how to get New York local time using TimeLocal. If you didn't watch the video, don't worry, I'll show you how to do it in this video. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is create a datetime variable. I'll call it time and I'll just say time local. We are using the TimeLocal method. This is what we are going to use to get New York local time. Now, as you can see, my local time is 11:02 and I'm just going to print time to the console. Allow. As you can see, this is my local time and it gives us the date as well. Now I'm going to show you this, guys. What you want to do if you want to get New York local time, you want to go to your settings and time zone. You want to go to Eastern time. Okay, there's Eastern time because this is US time, it's New York local time. And what this does, it changes my local time to New York time. And I want you to have this on auto, because if you don't have it on auto, it may give you the wrong time. There's Eastern time, there's daylight savings time in Eastern, so you want to have it on auto. Okay, as you can see, let me just say New York time. It's 5:03 a.m. 5:03 a.m. Okay guys, let's just stop this. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to create an MqlDateTime variable. I'll call it current. Well, it's a field, it's not a, well, yeah, semantics. Okay. Okay, I'm going to use TimeToStruct. As you can see guys, TimeToStruct takes a datetime variable and an MqlDateTime parameter as well. And our datetime parameter is time, so it's this time, the current time, my local time. And we pass in current, which is this field right here. And what this does, it allows us to access the individual components that make up time. So in time, you have the hour, you have the minutes, you have the seconds, and you also have the date, the month, the years. That's what this gives us. It is a very powerful struct. This is a struct, by the way. Okay guys, let me just demonstrate this. I'm just going to say print current dot. As you can see, we get the date, day of week, year, everything. So it's a very powerful tool. So I'm just going to print the current hour and it should give us 10 it should give us 5, maybe. Yeah, okay, I'll just show it. As you can see, it gave us 5. If I were to say print the hour and current mean, we should get, okay, and current sec, and I will separate these to make them look a bit more, nicer. Okay, should be fine. Okay, as you can see, it's 5 6 18. Well, that's the seconds. Oh yeah, I didn't mention This struct, all the parameters in the struct, they have integers, so that's why it's giving us integer values. Let me just MQL5 MQL date time. As you can see, these are all integers. That's why it's giving us a value that looks like this. These are integers. Okay guys, now for the session, I'm simply just going to say if time current if current dot hour. Okay, let's say you trade the 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. session. If that's what you trade, now remember, we are in New York time here. This works the same for all sessions. If this is your session, New York session, so if the current hour is greater or equal to to 7, because it's an integer. Remember, I showed you it's an integer. So if it's greater or equal to 7 and current dot hour is less or equal to 11, we want to print we are in the session. Yeah. Else print out of bounds. Okay, I'm just going to run this. Out of bounds because the current time is 5:09. We only want to trade when the current time is between, or the current hour is between 7 and 11. Well, what if we are in bounds? What does that look like? Well, let's say we now trade from 4 to let's say from 4 to, I don't know, 7. We are in the session. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to post them in the comment section. Thank you very much and good day.